Hey guys, welcome to Nate's Carving Creations. Today we're going to be wood burning again. I got a Bigfoot piece I'm going to be doing. It says believe. It's got Bigfoot as an eye and some mountains in the background. I'm going to do the mountains kind of a two-tone. I got hopefully the lighter shade of the two browns highlighted in pencil. And then believe I'm going to burn nice and dark. And then Bigfoot, I'm going to do a happy medium brown. So that's my plan. Now let's get burning. Alright guys, well there it is. Believe in Bigfoot. And I didn't do the two-tone on the mountains because I kind of like the way it turned out. So anyhow, hope you enjoyed the video. I know I enjoyed making it. So if you're not subscribed to the channel already, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and make sure to turn on notifications. That way you never miss an upload. But until next time, keep on carving and burning.